Today, I'll walk you through how to secure your website with Cloudflare SSL, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to implement SSL on your site so you can enhance security and build trust with your visitors. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website's security and performance. If you haven't logged in yet, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare updates its interface from time to time. Once you're in, navigate to the DNS section and then click on the Record tab. This is where you can manage your domain's DNS settings. It's similar to setting up a mailing address for your website, ensuring that visitors can find you online. Next, in the left sidebar, click on SSL/TLS and then select the Overview option. Here you can see the current SSL status of your website. This is crucial because SSL encrypts data between your website and its visitors, making it much harder for anyone to intercept that information. Now, under the SSL/TLS section, go to the Edge Certificates tab. This is where you can manage your SSL certificates. Scroll down to the Always Use HTTPS option and toggle it on. This setting ensures that all traffic to your site is encrypted, providing an extra layer of security. Next, head back to the SSL/TLS section and click on the Origin Server tab. Here, you will create a new certificate. Click on the Create Certificate button. For the certificate type, select RSA and set the validity to 15 years. This is a long-term solution, ensuring that your SSL certificate remains valid for a significant period. Once you've made your selections, click on the Create button. After the certificate is generated, copy both the origin certificate and the private key. These are essential for securing your website. Now, you will need to install them directly onto your web hosting server. This could be through cPanel, Nginx, or Apache, depending on your hosting setup. Don't worry if this takes a moment, just follow the instructions provided by your hosting provider for installation. And there you have it. You've successfully secured your website with Cloudflare SSL. This not only protects your visitors' data, but also boosts your site's credibility in the eyes of search engines and users alike. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.